Good morning, students. We have seen angle sum property of a triangle. The sum of the measure of three angles should be 180 degree. I have already told you in morning class. We will do activity, then you will be able to understand in a better way. Now I request you to open your textbook, students. See, here they have given you activity. First one, you see, draw a triangle, cut on the three angles, rearrange them as shown in figure 6.13. The three angles now constitute one angle. This angle is a straight angle and so has measure 180 degree. Now when we cut and see, you will be able to understand. Now I am going to draw a triangle on this white sheet. See, I have taken a triangle here. This is A, this is B, this is C. Now, this triangle we have to cut and rearrange, then we will be able to understand. Now I am going to cut this triangle. Now I have cut this triangle. Okay. Now what they are asking here, this one we have to cut three angles. Now here one angle is there, one angle, one. So I am going to cut this angle. I am just placing here. Then this is one more angle. Just cut. This is one more angle. Just cut. Now here I am going to draw a line. Now I have drawn a line here. Now what I cut these triangles, I am going to place it to here. See, now the cut triangles I have kept three angles. Now on the straight line, when you get an angle like this, what it is 180 degree. This is 180 degree. You can keep your protractor and see whether it is 180 degree or not. So it will be 180 degree. So this is the first activity. In your textbook they have given, draw a triangle, cut on the three angles, rearrange them. See, now we have cut like this and we have arranged. So this 3 on the straight line, it is 180 degree. So it is thus the sum of the measure of three angle of a triangle is 180 degree. Now second one, you see, the same fact you can observe in a different way also. Take 3 copies of any triangle. Now first one I have done. No, second one you can just try, students. You take 3 different triangles. You can say angle ABC, anything you can take. 3 triangles you can take, and you can arrange them as I have arranged now. You can arrange them. You can see in figure 6.15 also. And what do you observe? Angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3. Same thing only it is coming. Angle 1, angle 2, angle 3. When it is on straight line angles, it is 180 degree. So here also you see exterior angle property. Exterior angle property what? Sum of the 2 interior angles. Yeah. So now you see here, this is equal to 180 degree. Now third one you see here. Take a piece of paper and cut out a triangle, say angle ABC. Now I have already cut, but it is okay. Now I am going to draw another triangle. Angle A, B, C. See, this is the angle. Now I am going to cut this triangle. See, now this is a triangle. I am keeping here A, B, C. Now, I have already told you what is altitude. Altitude means height of a triangle. Now, suppose you are having this angle triangle ABC. Now, what they are telling? Make the altitude AM by folding angle ABC, triangle ABC. See, now I am going to just fold this triangle. Have folded. So here middle it is called as altitude. This you can mark it is as M, because they have already given you M. Now from A it is passing through M. It is altitude. Now what they are telling, now again fold now the 3 corners such that all 3 vertices A, B and C touch at M. Now this is A, this is B, this is C. Now they are telling us to fold again so that it will all will touch at M. So now I am folding all 3 sides. See, now A is folded, B is C. So now here I am going to draw a line. So from here also I am going to draw a line. Now here you see it is touching, all 3 vertices are touching. This one you see here. So here you see. Now this is A, this is B, this is C. This is M, this down one, because of there is no place I have written. So now you see, here like this we have got. Now you will find that all the three angles form together a straight line. You see, all together it formed a straight line. Angle A from angle B from angle C. This again shows that sum of the measures of three angles is 180 degree. When straight line is there, it's already 180 degree. So now I have drawn and shown this one. Now fourth one, students, I think you can draw. Draw any three triangles. Say angle ABC, PQR, XYZ in your notebook. You have to use your protractor and measure each of the angles of this triangle. Tabulate your result. Now here they have given you ABC, PQR, XYZ. You take three angles and you do the activity and you write here measure of the angles. How much will be angle A, angle B, how much it will be, angle C, how much it will be. Then when you add three of them, you should get 180 degree. Then only it is correct, because sum of the measure of three angles should be 180. Then only you will get angle sum property. I think you can do it as a homework, students. Two activities I have told you. Other two you can do it as a homework. Then here you see statement here. The total measure of three angles of a triangle is 180 degree. Now to justify this, let us use the exterior angle property of a triangle. I have already told you in morning class. One example I have given you. Same example only it is. Same example I have given you. By taking exterior angle, I have given you how it will be equal to 180 degree. So once again you can just go through that. Whether we have done correctly or not, just go through this one, you will be able to understand. Now then second example you see, in the given figure, find M angle P. Here angle Q is given, angle R is given. Here P is not given. So we have to find out. Now by the angle sum property of a triangle, how much? It should be equal to, these three should be equal to 180 degree. So P plus 47 plus 52 degrees equal to 180 degree. Then M of angle P is equal to 180 degree minus, when from plus 47 comes this side, minus, plus 52 comes this side, minus. So minus 47 minus 52. Then 180 degree minus 99 is equal to 81 degree. So here you will get P is here 81 you get. So when you add these three, 47 plus 81 plus 52. When you get these three, you will get 180. So angle sum property of a triangle is equal to 180 degree. So this is the example. So I think students, you might have understood this one. If you have any doubts, you can clarify. So in the next class, we shall see exercise 6.3. Thank you, students.